How to fix this problem in 10 minutes. First we off the system power. Then we insert bootable pen drive. And then on the system power, we continuously press F2 or del button. Now we enter into BIOS settings. Now we go boot option. And CD/DVD option taken above by plus switch. Then press F10 and enter. Now press any key. Now select time and currency. And hit next. Then select 32-bit and click next. Now click the chalky box. And hit next. Click custom. Select drive 2 and click on drive option. And then click on format and then OK. And click next. Now your system is ready. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe.